Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Leadpages affiliate portal authentication. To authenticate with the Leadpages affiliate portal, first, navigate to the Leadpages affiliate portal login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your email and password are entered correctly, click the Login button. If you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here, you will find your affiliate links and marketing materials. To access additional resources, check the navigation menu available on the left. If you are logging in for the first time, you may need to verify your email address. Look for a verification email sent by Leadpages and follow the instructions provided. After verifying your email, return to the portal and log in again. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are using a compatible web browser. In case of persistent login issues, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. You can also try using a different browser or device. Once authenticated, explore the available tools to help you promote Leadpages effectively. Make sure to regularly check back for updates and new marketing materials. This will help you stay informed and maximize your affiliate potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.